Good morning and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Coatney. I'm Terry Coatney and I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker with offices in Vienna, West Virginia and Marietta, Ohio. We've been talking about the home buying process and there's just quite a number of steps involved. So we're up to the point now where you've already been pre-approved and you know exactly what range you're going to be buying in. You've already determined what kind of house you're going to buy. Now you need to find a realtor. Now, a lot of people will find a listing and they'll find a listing agent and they'll call that listing agent and say, I'd like to see this home. But actually, you should probably have your own realtor. And the reason why is because that listing agent represents that seller. And by representing that seller and representing you, he gets into a situation that's called dual agency. And he has to remain ethical and not reveal anything confidential. However, you may find it more comfortable if you have your own realtor. Well, how do you find a realtor? Well, first of all, just do an internet search, look for realtors, find those with the highest reviews, then interview those realtors. Ask them questions like, how many homes have you sold this year? How many homes have you sold last year? What is your greatest strength? How do you work with buyers? Will you be available at all times to help me? And if he is really a good realtor, he's going to give you a piece of paper that is a consumer guide that explains everyone that's associated with this transaction. That's the brokers, the selling agent, the listing agent, the opportunity for maybe dual agency, what that means. And there should be also some things on there about fair housing, because you cannot discriminate in the home buying process. If you have any questions about how to find a realtor, give me a call and I'll walk you through the process and tell you what I can do to help you, either if you're buying or selling a home. You can reach me at 248-535-3559 and I'll be glad to chat with you and share any kind of information that you need. Hope you have a great day and talk to you soon.